If I hear it, then that's what I'm going to give. Just a knock-on advantage. Offside, offside, offside. Still got a knock-on advantage. Back feet.
Good line.
Go for it, use it. Down lower.
No, too late.
Yes. We're not going to win it. Yes. Good.
Time.
Never 10 in the centre here.
Thank you.
You know you weren't 10.
Me, sir?
No, not you. About 4 of your people who are shouting. Everyone who's shouting we're onside was offside.
Charlie left.
Yes, got it, pass it, Joel.
Over! George!
I agree with you. 11 holding on. 11 holding on too long. You can't tuck it under your body. Oh, nice.
Longer. Fucking chill out, mate. Patient fight.
Darren. Whoa, making a change.
Hold on, they're doing a change.
Making a change, sir.
I could see somebody running around. I'm being tolerant here. I don't know, somebody's running around to swap over.
Mate, come on the line.
Go on, Darren. Come on. Yeah. Wait, get
Got a
away.
guy here.
Time, boys. Chill.
God.
Come on now. Go, sir.
Just give him a sec. Okay, we're on. Come on, let's go.
No. Get over.
Knock on advantage.
I'm on 10. With him. Go with him, boys. Charlie out. Danger.
Still got a knock on advantage.
Guys, great work.
Yeah, there's a blue knock on. It'll be your scrum over there. Yeah, it'll be your scrum. Time up.
No, I don't know how long you've scored.
About 30 minutes.
Perfect.
Is it our scrum?
There'll be a knock on there. I'm just marking the position. We're not ready to go yet.